Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to display two columns in mobile mode in Elementor WordPress. So let's get started. Let's create one column over here. So on the left side of the menu in basic, just click and drag that over here. And as you can see, we have created two columns over here. Let's say you have added two images on both columns. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to go to the next one also and bring that over here. So I have created two columns. Now, on the bottom left corner, we have responsive mode. Make sure to click on that. And at the top, you will see we have mobile portrait and go to tablet portrait. So obviously we have both of them. And if you click on mobile, you will see that it will turn into different vertical mode of columns because this is a different aspect ratio. So what we are going to do, we are going to select this column option and we are going to write over here 50. We are going to select the second column as well with the same process, and now we are going to write in column width 50 as well. And once you click on that, you can see on the right we have created two columns over here on mobile version also. But if you go back, you will see that it will not change on your desktop, but it would change in your mobile version. So this is how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.